Wait, there's a Hey, is Mickey in the helicopter? Oh, that's got to be Mickey.
So sick.
Hey, Mickey, take me in the helicopter. This is pretty cool, though. All right. There. Helicopter, helicopter. Oh, I'm in. I'm in. Here we go. I don't know what's happening, but there's a lot of people here. There's a guy with a glider. Okay. Let's see. Plane rental spot. Oh my God, there's an Air One there too.
Damn, I was about to kill Craig too.
I thought he was going to. I was kind of hoping he would. All right. I don't know what we do after this, but the helicopter's gonna have the best view for sure, right? So, surely the helicopter will have the best view.
They were shooting.
Oh yeah, we were shooting, but it's kind of funny though. Like I was missing on purpose for the most part.